All right, guys. So took my board into Bobo's, which is the local shop here in Reno, the other day because I cracked my top sheet. If you were watching, it's gonna be now 2 videos ago, I think. I was riding the chutes, hit a rock. Thought I had a core shot. Turns out there actually isn't a core shot, but somehow the energy kind of basically got transferred through the base, through the edge, through the entire core, and cracked this cap of the top sheet. So took it into Bobo's. This was actually all whole, and then tried to go ride on my old board the next day. Forgot my boots, so that whole saga didn't really get shown. And then today went riding. Really solid day, but I was like, all right, cool, board's fixed, should be good. They put a little bit of epoxy in here, if you can kind of see that little wedge there, but they didn't cover the entire thing. So as you feel over this, you can feel all of these cracks. So went to Home Depot, got, where did it go? Hang on. Picked up this JB Weld, clear weld, clear setting epoxy. So the stuff they put on here is a kind of yellowish one, which is kind of normal, but yeah, JB Weld. So we're gonna see if this works. Hopefully it does, because I hope that I don't have to keep on repairing a top sheet. The thing that sucks, actually, which is even crazier, is that the crack goes directly through. I don't know if this 4K is gonna be able to pick it up, but the serial number on the board is going directly through that crack. So what serial number this board is, have no idea. Top sheets aren't part of Capita's warranty, which sucks because these kind of like, it's a cool glass top sheet, so it keeps snow off of it, but it doesn't actually appear to be that strong, which kind of sucks. So let's get to doing these repairs. All that's gonna do is keep this, I think it's a 5-minute set, which is super quick, but it just should keep it from running down the side and onto the base. I'm gonna put way more than I actually need. Woo! All right, back that out. See how this resealable works, because that'd be sick if it does. So that should be thoroughly mixed. Get it way too much. But you know what? The way this top sheet was cracking, I'd rather have too much than not enough. Pretty simple enough. Made sure to get some down on this lower edge because it was starting to kind of peel up and kind of delam a little bit, I guess, right there. So made sure to get some of the epoxy a little bit further down and a little bit further up and then all the way in. So the cracks on this kind of went all the way into the graphic there. And yeah, so we'll let this set up. It has 5 minutes to set, which is really quick, which is awesome. It means that it's not gonna drip down. Like, I've got some epoxy for doing some other crafts that has, I think, like a 30-minute to hour set time. So it means that it's really flexible and really watery for about an hour, and then it doesn't start to harden until after that time. With a 5-minute set time, that means that it's gonna harden really quickly. And it says like full cure, I think. Yeah, so sets in 5 minutes, cures in 1 hour, which is super quick, which is awesome. So might go up tomorrow and see how this holds up, but I also might bring my old board just down there because I'm trying to set up to see if I can match the stance on this one to that one, because I realized from last weekend just doing one run that this stance feels at least significantly wider than this one does. So yeah, I'll update you guys on see how this does. So. Feeling good?
Yeah, I just got a little taste, you know? Dude, I just feel so much more natural on this board. Like, there's no like sudden like, oof. Like,
yeah.
When you ride like a shitty board, like you'll just be like cruising down like a smooth part, and all of a sudden you'll just like pop.
Yeah.
From just like a random bump, and it's like, I like that.
Know the brakes coming.
That was difficult, bro.
No, that run sucks.
Why?
It's
It's filled with moguls.
Scaredy cat.
You want to go do it?
No.
No, it's just honestly, it's tons of moguls, which I'm not really like.
Lagi punya